All right, so welcome. I'm Rebecca Wright. I'm the Deputy Director of the DIMACS Center here, also a member of our Computer Science Department at Rutgers. And I just wanted to thank you all for coming. And this is our workshop on secure routing, thanks to our organizers, Steve Belevin, Nick Feemster, Aaron Jaggard, and Vijay Ramachandran. And this is taking place as part of our special focus on algorithmic foundations of the internet. So we have a couple of other workshops going on throughout the year, or a few years, some visitors, and just look generally at sort of wherever algorithmic issues arise in the internet. So people often ask when they come to DIMACS what else we do. So there's information in your folders about some of the other things we have going on. We have right now ongoing special focus programs in a variety of areas, computational and mathematical epidemiology, information processing and biology, discrete random systems, hardness of approximation, and one starting up in the fall on algorithmic decision theory. And sort of the common theme throughout is rigorous analysis of algorithms, discrete math, theoretical computer science, and how they can be useful in understanding both their own sort of just scientific foundations, but also other areas of computer science, other areas of science outside of computer science, and even non-scientific areas to some degree. And we have educational programs, we have other things like that, and I'll just point you to your program, or your folders for that. So with that, thank you again for coming, and I hope we have a good couple days. And we'll go ahead and get started with our first presentation.